The 11th question, if a vector by is not there, let's remove this by. If a vector 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 8k cap is perpendicular to the vector minus 4i cap plus 4j cap plus ak cap, then the value of a is. Now they are saying that this vector is perpendicular to this vector. Let me call this vector as vector A, this as vector B. So if A and B are perpendicular, we know that the dot product between those two should be equal to 0, right? So it is ax bx plus ay by plus az bz equals 0. So ax is 2, bx is minus 4, similarly 3 into 4 plus 8 into a is equal to 0. So minus 8 plus 12 plus 8a equals 0. So this is 4 plus 8a is equal to 0, or a is equal to minus 4 by 8, which is equal to minus half. So this seems to be the right option, that is C is the right option. 12th question, the angle between the vectors vector A and vector B is theta. The value of the triple product A dot B cross A is. Now this is a simple question. You know that the cross product of two vectors is perpendicular to both the vectors, right? So B cross A, like B cross A is perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. Okay, so you know that the angle between this and A is 90 degree. B cross A, let's say C is equal to B cross A. Okay, now C is perpendicular to A. That is why vector A dot vector C has to be equal to 0. So in this case the right option is option B.